Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get a private server in Steal A Brainrot Roblox without Robux. First, check if the game already offers a free option. Some devs allow free VIPs for groups. Open the Steal A Brainrot game page and scroll to the servers and private servers area. See whether the developer has any free access or group-based servers. Next, join the game's community on Discord, Twitter, or Roblox group. Join the game's Discord on the Roblox group linked on the homepage. Monitor announcements for giveaways, moderator or vendor rewards, or event prices that include free private server access. Then politely ask the devs or mods and watch for events. Message the devs or moderators explaining why you need a private server, and request if they'll open a temporary free server for your group or include you in an event. Some devs might help communities. After that, try to win or earn access via community activities, and if none of the above works, use friend-only alternatives. Start a normal public server and invite only your friends. You can use party chat plus block other players. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.